Hi, so today we will be learning how to make a homemade lava lamp. So first, you're going to get all your ingredients. We need oil, baking soda, a spoon, a little glass, food coloring of your choice, and vinegar. You might also want a funnel to help you. So we're going to start by taking our tall glass, I'm just using a water bottle, and adding 3 spoons of baking soda in. So. Okay, once all the baking soda is in, we're going to fill it to about 2/3 of the way with our oil. Okay. Once all of our oil is added, we're going to make the coloring. So this is going to be a mixture of vinegar and the color of your choice. So you start by pouring some vinegar into a glass and mix it with about 3 drops of the food coloring. I'm using blue because the darker color will work better. So once the coloring is in, you can swirl it around a little to get it all mixed. So now we're going to start our reaction. So we're going to pour the vinegar in here with the oil, and the slower we pour, the longer the reaction will take. So you pour just drop by drop. And once it hits the bottom, it's going to start bubbling up. And there you have it. You can watch all of the bubbles come from the bottom to the top, and you'll get the blue coloring at the top. There's the lava lamp.